Okay, thanks for stopping by and finding out more about my membership. If you join the membership channel, you'll get extra benefits and perks and some cool things as well. There are different tiers, and I've started it off at a very reasonable price, really just to make sure that the members who want to see long form videos are going to get just that. And I know exactly who I'm creating the videos for, and that's really good to have that connection with you. Now, there are other tiers as well, and the main highlights are as follows. For tier 2, you get to join me on live stream, and I can do a little monthly demonstration, and you can watch that exclusively. You'll also have the recording, which will be also exclusively available to you. Kind of spontaneous and fun, and I'm never quite sure how it's going to turn out, but I'll do my best to do a really interesting and useful lesson for you. And in the third tier, that is for artists who want all of those previous benefits as well, but you also get to work with me. You'll join my private group on Slack, and you'll be able to direct message me once a month with your work that you've been doing, and I'll give you a personalized critique and send you that video, and you'll be able to watch the critique and gain some useful insights to help you with your painting. So it's kind of like having your monthly art lesson with an art teacher, but a lot more convenient. So if any of these tiers look interesting to you and you want to try it out, go ahead and join. You can be a member for as long as you like, and you can upgrade if you want to. So it's totally up to you. Now, of course, the question is, what are you paying for? Well, the perks as I've described, and also the funds that I get through YouTube, well, that really gets plowed back into my art studio. From art materials to the equipment I need to put these videos together, and the never-ending software that always is being used to upgrade and improve what I'm doing. So it all sort of funds itself, and that is, I think, the virtuous circle. So we all get something out of it, and your help is a real big help to me. So that's it, really. Membership sounds good to you? Then go for it, and let's begin on this art journey together.